Yeah, Faye, we are going to talk today about emotional eating. So let's launch into that. What is all this about? What are you talking to a lot of your clients at the moment and finding that this is something that's a real issue?
Yeah, a lot of people. So I did an emotional eating workshop on the Grand Prix weekend. So it's the first weekend where things started shutting down, right? And there was a lady who actually was there, and she said, you know, I'm finding that I'm comfort eating. She was at Baker's Delight, and all she did was she goes, I need that one, I need that one, I need that one, I need that one. Not because she wouldn't eat the breads, but she didn't eat so many. But the more she had around her, the more safe and secure she felt. Given everything around her at that time was going to kaputs, right? They were shutting down the Grand Prix. The fear was quite imminent. It was quite palpable. And everyone was very new to this whole COVID-19 thing down in Melbourne. So with emotional eating, it's about something in the past that's been triggered and you're feeling the void, right, with an emotion. But that emotion is linked to food, right? So it could be linked to love. It could be linked to security. It could be linked to you having fun, right? So I remember reading a case study where someone was just addicted to Budweiser beer. Not anything else, but had to be Budweiser because she associated in her 20s at uni that when she was at party, that everybody was drinking Budweisers, and that for her represented something fun. And so when she was feeling down, she would go to a Budweiser, not because she was an alcoholic, but because she associated fun with that particular beer. Just as I was tapping with the client just last month, she associated Cadbury milk, dairy, chocolate, one of these, right, with love and appreciation. Like she would go through 2 blocks of chocolate a week, right? But she won't touch Lindt. She'll have a block of Lindt and not finish it, but she can't stop at 1 row of Cadbury milk, dairy milk, right? Cadbury dairy milk chocolate, right? Because she associated love and appreciation from her mum. And ever since 2010, when her mum passed away, and mum was always around, bring the clothes in, getting her a cup of tea, doing the dishes for her. And then all of a sudden, mum wasn't there. But she, from a memory in year 11 from BCE, when mum bought her a block of chocolate, and mum never does that in her family, she associated, collapsed completely, a block of chocolate with mum's love and appreciation. So for her, the chocolate is love and appreciation. And she fed herself that 2 blocks a week. Not because she's addicted to, yes, she is addicted to chocolate physically, but the addiction came from emotional void.
So